Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now the topic will be discussed is how a refrigerator works. Okay, so a refrigerator has two sides. Here it is the plug when electricity comes, and then there is compressor which will convert the liquid to gas or which will be convert gas to liquid, but liquid to gas were in this section expressing valve. So how it's done in compressor? It will be compressor, the liquid will be come in this way. Liquid will become and they will go to the express valve. There will be pressure reducing. The liquid will be pressure reducing and they will be converted to gas. So in gas there will be very much high temperature. So in high temperature in there the temperature of gas is very much high than the temperature of the refrigerator. There is refrigerators temperature will be very much high, but the gas will be the expressing, and we know that expressing if volume is increasing, the temperature will reducing. So the temperature will be reducing and so the gas will be very cool and cold. So the external temperature will very high, so the external temperature will come to the gas. So the gas will take the heat of inside refrigerators heat. So it will be take the heat. The gas will taking the heat. So in taking the heat, and the gas will be here, and they will go to the condense cell or chamber. Condense cell, there will be again pressurized. Pressure will be increased and there will be convert again in liquid. So in liquid they will go to again in express valve and temperature reducing, and they will receive temperature from the fridge, and in such a way the refrigerator will work. So if I take a warm things, the warm things will be cold because of that vapor. Okay, so it is thus how a refrigerator works. And there will be electric supply will be the order the compressor to do that. Now I think everyone has understand it. I think you will also describe this. Can also describe this. Thank you very much. So if you enjoy this video, please like and share. Bye.